In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a portfolio website to your LinkedIn profile. Let's dive right in. To start, what you'll want to do is log into your LinkedIn account. If you haven't already done so, just go to the LinkedIn website and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to your profile by clicking on your profile icon, which you might also see labeled as Me. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, click on View Profile to proceed to the next step. Now you'll need to let the screen load up your profile information. Once everything is visible, look for the option that says Add Profile section. This feature is designed to allow you to enhance and personalize your LinkedIn profile by adding various details about your professional life. Now, while there are multiple ways to showcase a portfolio on LinkedIn, today we're going to focus on using the Add Projects option, which is conveniently located under the Recommended section. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be greeted with a new field to fill out for your project name. Since we're focusing on creating a portfolio entry, let's keep things straightforward by simply naming the project Portfolio. This helps anyone viewing your profile to easily identify that this section showcases your portfolio. Next, there's space for a description. Here you have the opportunity to really tailor the details. This is where you can paste the link to the website that hosts your portfolio. Make sure the link works by testing it beforehand. You want anyone who clicks on it to be directed to your portfolio smoothly. In addition to the link, you also have options to add more context to your project. You can select any relevant skills that are highlighted in your portfolio, or include media, such as images or documents, that complement your portfolio. This can really help to make your profile not only more informative, but also more engaging. After you've filled out all the necessary details and you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to click Save. By doing this, you finalize your new portfolio addition to your profile. To confirm that everything is in place, take a moment to view your profile again. Scroll down to the Projects section, and there you should see the portfolio you've just created, prominently displayed. And that's it. You've successfully added your portfolio website to your LinkedIn profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and press the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. Thank you for watching.